are back at Whitehaven on Edmond, our first site update for 2019. I think you're going to be pretty impressed with the progress that's happened here, late 2018, and in just a couple of months, we're going to have all our new owners moving in to Whitehaven on Edmond. As you can see, the front facade of the building is all complete. So we've had that feature stonework put in, and that's what's really setting this development apart from everything else here in Carina, and probably right through the south side. At the moment, we've got the concreters on site, starting to prepare to pour the driveways early next week. And inside the townhouses, it's painters, electricians, plumbers, all getting the inside complete, ready for the new owners to move in. So let's go and have a look. So out the front of the project here, we've had a lot of the external services go in. The master water meter, ready to take all 6 water meters for the individual dwellings. The electrical there for the each individual townhouse as well. Stormwater's gone in, taking all of the stormwater from the site out to the street. And the concreters are subgrading all of the driveway out, ready to pour that driveway next week. As well as being a super exciting time on site getting the driveway down, it's also one of the busiest times. With the painting all complete nearly in each townhouse, the plumbers putting in all the tapware, the electricians putting all the lights and power switches, it's full steam ahead here. And as you can see, there's plenty of trades on site and plenty happening. And with 4 of the 6 townhouses sold, we're pretty excited to get these finished and get everybody moved in to see just how amazing Whitehaven on Edmond is. We're here on the balcony of Townhouse 1, somewhere a little bit more quiet, considering all the work that's going on downstairs. Over the next couple of months, we're going to see all the finishing touches happen here, which will include the fitting off of all the plumbing, electrical, aircon, things like that, timber floor installation and carpets, final defects, and externally we're going to have the driveway go down, followed by the front fence and landscaping. So stay tuned over the next 2 months as we watch this project come to a completion. I think everybody's going to understand why Whitehaven on Edmond is really going to set the precedence for townhouses here in Carina.